Cord Raleigh organized Miles for Humanity 5K walk and run at Cary Park Lake in Cary, North Carolina. Cord Raleigh is the chapter of Cord USA that works towards raising funds for India and to support local community events in tribal area. Chinmaya Organization for Rural Development provides basic health services to remote villages located in rural India. The organization helps villagers with income generation schemes so that they can become self-sufficient. To raise funds and help Cord USA centers in their social programs, the organization held a walkathon where members from the community along with their friends and family came to help support towards the noble cause. Besides it being a bad weather with heavy rainfall, people came in large numbers to support Cord USA towards its projects and work.
It was for a good cause, and so we came out to help and volunteer and also to participate. It was really fun.
Hi, we're here to help out with the Cord Walk, and my daughter here, Sonia Patel, and her friend Anna Helms are here with face painting. And they're sampling it right now, and we're having a great day. It's a rainy morning, but we're enjoying the walk.
It was difficult, a lot of hills, but the rain, it was okay. The rain was fun.
We are at Cord USA, and I'm making origami for the origami table. My name is Vinay Satwani. We just came back from a 5K. It was very slippery.
Hi, my name is Gayatri Narayan. I'm the co-founder for Cord New York chapter of Cord USA, and I'm here in Cord Raleigh to support their 5K run, which has happened in really strong rain, but there were hundreds of people who came here and who participated in the run. It was great.
Hi, I'm Preeti, and I'm really excited to be here and run for Cord today in Cord Raleigh's first 5K. And to me, Cord is really important because they have a very important philosophy of instead of giving a man a fish, they teach a man to fish. And to me, that's something that is really amazing because it can be sustained and help so many people.
Hi, I'm Varsha, and I'm a rising 10th grader. And today I volunteered for Cord. We did a big Cord run. This is our first one. And I was volunteering for traffic. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of runners. And even though it was raining, we were a big success.
We're here at the Cord USA Miles for Humanity 5K. We are the newest branch of Cord USA. We are in Raleigh, North Carolina. So we are Cord USA Raleigh. Cord stands for Chinmaya Organization for Rural Development. And Cord focuses on the empowerment of villagers in rural India.
This is Narayan Kumar. I'm from the Cord USA, being a volunteer for the Cary Park 5K run. It's been a fantastic event. Thanks to all our organizers, especially Hiren. He did a lot of effort, and plus all the volunteers.